I'm Danielle Gumrow, Volkswagen Product Specialist, and this is the sophisticated all-new 2011 Volkswagen Touareg.
Not as sophisticated as me.
The Touareg is VW at its best, with the most premium features, latest technologies, and highest performance.
Well, I own Shakespeare's bones, so...
The 2011 Touareg has been redesigned with sleeker, more aggressive styling and better on-the-road driving dynamics.
Growing up, Danielle, I had two pets, a camel and a peacock, and they both drank fine wine.
One of the newest features is that it's available with 3 different engines.
Yes, but can its voice transition to 3 different octaves?
There aren't 3 engines in the car. You get 3 engine options: a V6 FSI, a TDI clean diesel, or a supercharged hybrid.
Supercharged hybrid? Not bad. I'd let that into one of my 80 garages.
It also comes with an all-new 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-motion all-wheel drive.
That's all well and good, but in the first grade, they let me smoke a pipe because I looked weird without it.
The all-new 2011 Touareg also comes with all the luxury you could want. Standard, like touchscreen 3D navigation.
Really?
Rear-view camera,
Ooh.
heated front seats,
Seats?
18-inch alloy wheels.
Oh.
And my favorite, the remote opening and closing rear hatch.
Your favorite's the hatch.
Plus, the 8-speaker sound system with CD player.
Oh.
A portable audio player integration.
Ooh.
DVD player, and dual SD card reader. Again, all of those features, standard.
Leather book on a desk, that's nice.
There are also some available features for the 2011 Touareg. 20-inch alloy wheels,
You've humbled me.
wood trim,
Danielle, you've humbled me.
panoramic sunroof,
Panoramic, what?
heated steering wheel,
Please stop saying things.
Dyna audio sound system,
There's more, I know.
heated rear seats,
You've won, VW, you've won.
Vienna leather seating surfaces,
You're more sophisticated than me, I give it.
and keyless access with push-button start.
Touche, touche. You've won, I'm humbled.
And that's the all-new 2011 Volkswagen Touareg.
I must paint you.
Hey, Bill, it's Volkswagen. Do you really own Shakespeare's bones?
I'll never tell.
Can we see them?
Yes.